Mastering the Menu. The delightful world of roast meat. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious part of the English language that's sure to make your mouth water. The phrase, roast meat. Whether you're dining out, cooking at home, or simply expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is key to navigating culinary conversations. So, let's carve into the topic and get a taste of what roast meat truly means. Roast meat refers to a cooking method where meat is prepared by dry heat, often in an oven, but also by a fire or a spit. The term roast implies that the meat is cooked uncovered so that it's surrounded by hot air, which results in a flavorful, caramelized crust. This method is suitable for larger cuts of meat, like a whole chicken, a beef rib roast, or a leg of lamb. The tradition of roasting meat dates back to when our ancestors first started cooking with fire. It's not just a cooking method. It's a cultural practice that's associated with festivities and family gatherings. From Sunday roasts in the UK to Thanksgiving turkey in the US, roast meat dishes often take center stage at celebratory meals around the world. When discussing roast meat, you might encounter a few related terms. Juicy and tender are often used to describe the texture of well-roasted meat. Words like succulent indicate that the meat is moist and tasty, while well done, medium, and rare refer to the level of doneness. Carving is the act of cutting the roast meat into pieces, which is often done at the table in a family setting. English is rich with idioms, and roast meat even finds its way here. For example, when someone is under intense scrutiny or criticism, they might feel like they're being roasted. This metaphorical use comes from the idea of being exposed to heat, much like meat in an oven. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, roast meat, and its savory significance in English language and culture. I hope this video has not only enhanced your vocabulary but also tempted your taste buds. Remember, language learning can be as delightful as a well-cooked meal. Thank you for watching, and let's keep exploring the rich flavors of English together. Happy learning, and even happier eating!